Your body is doing something right now, and you probably don't even notice it. That loud growling sound in your stomach often happens when your stomach and intestines are empty but still active. Even when you are not eating, your digestive muscles keep moving, pushing air and fluids through the intestines. These strong contractions mix air and digestive juices, creating the rumbling noise you hear. Your brain also releases hunger hormones, which signal your stomach to prepare for food. So, that embarrassing stomach growl is actually your digestive system staying active and ready for your next meal.